Morning students, now we will discuss about the theorems of Boolean algebra. First theorem is idempotence law. These are the basic laws. How many laws are there? Idempotence law, involution law, complementarity law, commutative law, associative law, distributive law and absorption law. These are the basic laws. We have to prove with the help of truth table. So first one is idempotence law. What is the law? X or x equal to x and x equal to x. So how do you prove this type of law with the help of truth table? We want to prove x or x equal to x and x equal to x. So we do x, then we calculate x or x, then we calculate x and x. So here there is a single variable x, so it can be true, it can be false. Same thing, 1, 0. Now x or x, in case of what? In case of input, if we get only 1, means output is 1, this is 1 and this is 0. X and x, 1 and x, we got x, 0 and 0, we got 0. Means the truth value of this and this both are same. So we can prove x or x equal to x and x equal to x because the truth value of all three are same. So this is idempotence law. Next one is involution law. In case of involution law, what is the law? X complement equal to x. For that purpose, first we took x, then we calculate x complement. After that we calculate x complement. So there is a single variable x, so it can be 1, it can be 0. X complement means opposite of x, 1, 0, 0, 1. Again we calculate the complement of this portion, 0, 1, 1, 0. The truth value of this and this are same, so we can prove x complement equal to x. This is involution law. Next one is complementarity law. So these are the basic laws we have to prove with the help of truth table. Next one is complementarity law. What is the law? X or x complement equal to 1 and x complement equal to 0. So first we took x, then we calculate x complement, then we calculate x or x complement, and after that we calculate x and x complement. So you have a single variable x, it can be 1, it can be 0. Now x complement means opposite of x, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now x or x complement, or of these two, in case of what? If one is input, then output will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Same way, x and x complement, in case of x and x complement, okay, 1 and 0, we got 0 because in case of AND, one input is 0, output will be 0. 0 and 1, we got 0. Now see, x or x complement, truth value is always 1. That's why we can prove x or x complement equal to 1. And x and x complement, okay, this is 0. Understood? This is 0. This value is always 0. So we can prove x and x complement equal to 0. In this way we can prove x or x complement equal to 1 and x complement 0. Now these are the another laws: commutative law, associative law, distributive law and absorption law. You can prove yourself with the help of truth table. Now the last topic is De Morgan's law. What are the laws? X or y whole complement equal to x complement and y complement. Next, x and y whole complement equal to x complement or y complement. Okay. Now we want to prove De Morgan's first law. X or y whole complement equal to x complement and y complement. If you want to prove De Morgan's law, we have to take the help of complementarity law. P or P complement equal to 1 and P and P complement equal to 0. Suppose the value of P is x or y. So we can write we replace p by x or y, the x or y whole complement equal to 1. Now x or y, now we replace this with this and we have to prove 1. Then we can only prove this equal to this. The x or y or x or complement and y complement, we replace this with this. Now this is the distributive law, x or y or x complement and x or y or y complement. Now x or x complement is 1, y or y complement is 1. So 1 or y into 1 or x, 1 or y means 1, 1 or x means 1, 1 into 1 proof. Next, p and p complement equal to 0. So what is the value of p? X or y. We replace p by x or y. The x or y and x or y whole complement equal to 0. Now we replace this with this and we have to prove 0. The x or y and x complement and y complement. Then we multiply x complement y complement or y x complement y complement. Now x and x complement equal to 0. Y and y complement equal to 0. So 0 and y complement or 0 and x complement. So this is 0, this is 0. 2. Okay, that's all for Boolean algebra. Next class we will start Python. Thank you.